Okay, back. It's a very nice car. I like it. Very bulky.
That can't be recreated. That can't be recreated.
It cannot. It absolutely cannot.
There'll be more. There'll be more moments. Don't worry. All right.
Wait, do you have Xbox Game Bar?
It's not that funny. Why are you laughing at him? It's not that funny. Yo, who the
Oh!
Who the Betty?
Motherfucker was turned around.
Okay, Stuce. Alright, Stuce, your turn. Your turn.
Oh,
what do you want to show?
Pumpo.
Yeah? What?
You got Xbox Game Bar?
What?
Xbox Game Bar. You know what that is?
No clue.
Hold down the Windows key and Z.
Okay. Nothing's happening.
Wait, what letters are you pressing?
Windows key and Z, like you said.
No, the Z as in next to F.
C.
Like
G.
the right of F.
G.
Yeah.
What?
Windows key and that key.
Yeah, what about it?
There's something on the Xbox Game Bar and you can record with it.
No, I want to do with fucking OBS Studio. Already got it open, so we're good. Okay, I feel so much better now. My fucking stomach doesn't hurt. Oh shit! I don't know why fucking SpongeBob sitting in a fucking chair got me fucking laughs.
Whoa!
Okay. Sit your ass down, Stuce.
I bought
What do you bring in the demon for?
Why is there uranium in my face?
It's I got plutonium.
Oh, you're like, that's pretty cool. Does that work at like a factory or something?
Can you not?
Hey Stu,
What's up, bud?
have you ever had a 78-ton vehicle on top of your head?
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Can I show something else, teacher?
Yeah, sure, what's up? What the fuck, dude? Dude, my fucking throat hurts so much. My fucking diaphragm is fucking burning.
Dude, why are there so
this
many
thing?
cubes?
We angered the Bob. I mean, Tom.
Stu, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue? Here, how about blue cube?
What?
The blue cube.
Holy shit.
Ow!
Look, where are you? It's a blue cube.
Okay, do not touch that thing.
Come here, Soggy. I gotta show you something cool I found.
What is that? Is that a gas station?
It's a gas station, man.
It's underground.
What?
The gas station is underground.
How the fuck do you spot it above ground?
What the fuck?
I don't know. It should be spawning above ground.
Every time I touch, I just fucking die.
No,
there
you
it
can
is.
still touch and not die.
Ow! Fuck.
Oh.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
why is there multiple? Holy
Oh,
crap!
shit.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You are lagging the server.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Man.
if that ever happens, you have to spam Z.
I am. That's what I'm doing.
Remember, Z deletes stuff.
Oh, you bitch.
Guys,
Oh,
guys,
oh no,
We're
no,
going
no,
to
bomb the
church.
town, bomb the town.
We're going.
this is literally the town from Pavlov.
Oh, fuck, it is.
I'll
I'll just leave all those.
I've never
Alright,
It was,
played this world.
Tegra, since you're from Kentucky, you know.
I'll just leave all that napalm there.
What do you mean?
No, just pray there. Everyone go inside and pray. Just trust me.
Alright,
There's some,
we're attending Gmod Mass. Who's
There's some napalm.
Okay. Dear Lord.
It's on fire.
It's all part of God's plan. It's all part of God's plan.
Poompa priest.
What?
Why is there fire?
Listen, like whatever
washing your
happens,
sex toys is
whatever
very important.
happens,
That's why priests
the
wash
fuck
their
is
kids.
So why is there fire?
Why is there just a whole ass town here?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's all part of God's plan.
That's it, priest. I had it with you. I don't believe in God anymore.
Oh no, you don't.
Oh shit.
Peter did.
Fucking napalm, man.
Oh no.
I'm still standing.
War.
Dude,
That's
my
how
fucking-
war started.
My fucking head is starting to hurt, bro. Holy shit.
Wait, Stu, guess what?
What does Moab stand for?
Mother of all bombs. That's actually what it stands for.
That's crazy.
Yep. Stu, you got this. Ready?
The comedic timing on all this is so good.
Stuck. I am stuck. You.
Where you guys there?
Wait, spawn me, Jeff. I want to give him a little special something.
Oh my god.
Spawn Freddy Fazbear.
I swear to God, why do I keep getting
Stop
stuck in this?
blowing his head off.
Here
Hey.
we go.
What are you? You're just a fucking error for me. That's mean.
Don't be punching me again, dipshit. Oh, does this actually work? Whoa, this actually be sick as fuck if it works. Hold on.
What?
Oh, we need like a mod for it. That makes sense. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let's
Hey guys, hey Sog, you thirsty?
Nobody touch that can. No, don't touch those cans. Please,
Why?
please.
Why? Oh.
Oh shit.
No. Delete it. Please.
I pressed E on it.
Please delete them. For the love of God.
Hey, were you thirsty?
I'm okay.
You want a drink?
No, I'm really okay, dude. Stop, please. I beg of you. I want to have fun.
What is wrong with this bomb?
You want to see what's wrong with it, dude?
No.
You want to see what's wrong with it?
I crashed my game so bad.
Oh.
Dude, do you know how many times I crashed my game before? Like, so bad that it blue screened?
No. I have a worse car than him. And I know for a fact. Freaking on.
What the fuck is this, a UFO? Oh.
What are you doing to me?
You can't, it doesn't work, I don't know.
The comedic timing on so much of this shit is fucking immaculate.
No.
Yeah.
Oh God.
When
go driving.
you at the ops breakfast and he says, "Pass that nigga the evil pancakes."
That's what I'm saying.
I once got the I was once in a boat machine with one of my ops and they passed me.
Bro, you know we're literally the truck from Anime-phobia? There's an evil man following us.
My Bailamos con la tuca, bailamos
Here,
con el lazo.
let me play some Mexican
Bailamos
music
con
real
la
quick.
tuca, 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 lazo.
Dude, get him. Yeah.
Oh, crap. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Hello,
Yeah.
fuck.
Oh my god.
I'm SpongeBob.
Shut the fuck up, dude. Hey Soggy, this is my friend. His name is Diaphragm. Oh.
No, they killed Diaphragm! Dude, okay. I don't know what this is, but it's entirely in Polish. It is entirely in Polish.
Dude, my fucking cognitive power.
Guys, pass bro the evil blunt.
my fucking brain, dude.
Yo.
My comprehension is fucking deteriorating. This shit. Oh my god.
Guys, I'm seeing in like reverse colors.
How?
Dude, fucking like my brain is like working in reverse right now. Look, French penis.
Not even scratch.
Oh, okay. You should have like tell us.
So you put some boosters on the back of this shit, make it fly.
And he pulls out like
Make
some
it triple squirt.
Wow.
Okay.
Really stuck working fucking grocery.
Don't move it.
There's a proximity mine somewhere. Just a warning.
Alright, you ready?
Off it goes.
Guys, we made the first ever helicopter. How do you feel?
I feel like the Warner Brothers, whatever the fucking names were.
Rolls Royce Premium Phantom.
Why is it blasted?
I don't.
Why is your Rolls
Holy
Oh
shit.
shit.
Can you come here?
That is the
I
best.
oh my, what the fuck?
Dude, did their game just crash?
What?
Okay, no. Why are you gasping, bro? Just shut the fuck up. I can hear you fucking.
I can only breathe. I was dying in the.
Hey, Soggy, can you take this for me?
Yeah, sure. What is it?
Fuck.
Best flag.
Fucking
Yeah,
man.
like French voices and shit.
Oh my god. Oh, it was supposed to be a tabby slime.
Greetings.
Oh, hey, can you like,
where
what?
all
Can you
doing
take
on my
that
home?
thing that's on the ground right there?
My house.
It's still intact. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll put
Yeah,
like
but where's
support
my
to your house.
where's my table? I need to get
Incoming
shit.
wiener
Hold on.
infestation. Are you taking a shit right now?
It's like only so many possible.
Hey, can you hold this for me?
Oh yeah.
Wait, hold up.
What
Hold up.
did you do
Spawn
to
that shit
that
again.
toilet?
Spawn that shit again. Spawn that shit again. Alright, go in the bathroom real quick.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
Ew.
shit.
ew.
Why is it squirting?
They got a little excited. Wait, hold on. Let me make.
Wait, Soggy,
Let me get a little
Soggy.
better. Oh my god. Oh god.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Fine, let's
Lord.
get in my
Couple, what did you
mouth.
do?
When I try to
Too much cheese. Wait, Soggy, delete. Hold on, I'll try something. So we're gonna get a ragdoll of a person. We're gonna fucking like bind. We're gonna fucking like hover them, like knock them into the air. Put a thruster.
Severe piss. A single bullet. Dude, I don't know what's wrong with the TF2 models, but like they look morbid to me.
Oh my fucking god.
Do you see that? Do you see that?
Spot it again.
Okay, let's try the fucking sniper.
Dude,
Bro, that looks fine for me.
Zeus, do you see
He's
this?
fucking dead. Is it the
see
stretchy one? Are you talking about the stretchiness?
It looks like a mangled body.
It literally looks fine to me. What do you
I
mean?
love that. I love
Okay,
Mortimer.
let's get Disco right here.
Okay, she's
Consider-
second.
Oh, motherfucker.
I'm sorry, my finger
She's
slipped.
still warm.
Okay, we're gonna
Did
get
you just eat her?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put him right here. Sit him on the toilet.
I'm SpongeBob.
Guys, you ready for this prank? You ready for this prank?
Yeah.
Hey, Poopo.
What?
You're on Walk the Prank.
Hey, hold on. Kurt Cobain POV.
Kurt Cobain.
Hey guys, so
Now
I
you're
put
on
a
Walk the
thruster.
Plank.
God
Oh
dang it.
shit!
So I
Wait.
put
Walk
a
the-
thruster.
just
Put
walk
a
the
thruster
prank,
on his ass.
On his ass.
Yeah. Try to get the shit precise. There we go.
Sir, are you okay? Sir.
Sure, you could. Oh,
I'm SpongeBob.
Guys, there's only one fix to this. I'm sorry. But you're on Walk
You destroyed it. You blew it all up.
Any
Sorry. Not sorry.
Hey, you want to
Hey,
say?
Soggy.
No, please.
Can you hold this for me?
Give me my sandwich back. No, give me my sandwich.
Get away from my sandwich. Get away from my sandwich.
I just spilled ginger ale all down my shirt, man.
Fucking.
It like
dumbass.
invaded my shirt and went down all my chest, like inside my shirt.
Why?
What the fuck?
oh.
What
the
is
fuck just
that?
happened?
What is that?
What the fuck?
Is that supposed to be Transformer?
This thing has thermals?
What the?
It has physics, dude. What the fuck is this?
It's supposed to be like a Mecha Godzilla.
That was like a ball of hair for me.
What is this?
Okay, I have a thermal scope on, and I just see like a gray square
I'm
walking around.
SpongeBob.
A gray square.
Can we have class again? I don't know if I want to have class again.
What?
Wait, guys, hold on. Can I put my house next to your house? Thanks.
I don't actually have buddies that would.
What do you want to order, dumbass?
Bro!
I'll take one I'll take one of these.
Wrong.
Hey guys, sorry.
Can I
Robbery.
Oh, I ran out of ammo.
I'm SpongeBob.
Good Samaritan saves the day.
No.
Guys,
a murder
the
suicide.
soda can is back. Where is
Where
it?
did it go?
Where did it go?
Your
Where did it
silence
go?
of panic that's just been
I'm
Where did it go?
SpongeBob.
Fucking shut
There
the
you
fuck
go.
up, Stews.
Where did it go? Ooh.
The soda can is back.
Oh,
Punch his barrel. Punch this barrel real quick. Just punch it. No.
Oh.
As soon as you punch it, it gets really angry. Okay.
Sorry, I like my uranium-235.
I'm punching.
He likes open spaces. He does not like.
He's running.
It makes him angry. Punch him with. Oh, with crowbar. With crowbar. With crowbar.
Oh, crowbar.
What? Oh, he's getting angry. He's shaking. Why is he running?
Oh no.
Hold on, wait, stop. Leave him alone.
7 months old.
Are you moving it?
What is SpongeBob doing?
I'm SpongeBob.
Shut the fuck up.
Wait.
It launched him!
Guys, this is a fragmented explosive barrel.
Jesus.
It actually works.
Like
It actually
a
works.
fucking
Let's go.
fragmentation grenade. What is this shit?
Absolutely crappy. Oh, sorry about that.
You fucking retard.
Who wants to fuck? Alright, bet SpongeBob.
I'm SpongeBob.
Wait, hold on. I'll be the cameraman. Hello, I'll be the cameraman.
Alright.
I'm SpongeBob.
Is that a silica kit?
No!
Oh no.
Actually, stop spawning that thing. Please, it's like giving us like a heart attack every time. Metal bunker? Guys, there's a metal bunker. No way.
Look, I'm looking bad. I'm gonna sleep in it.
You guys will never catch me here in my metal bunker. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, Jesus. Why there's so many cats?
Oh shit.
It's liking the server.
Clean that shit, bro. Let's see what else we got here. Toilet meme? I'm good.
Nah.
Oh, shit, guys, look, it's very. It's a very. Soggy, check it out. It's a very high quality box. Look at that. What the fuck?
Sick.
It's flying. Oh, okay.
What's that thing?
Alright, guys, we should all sit down.
Who touched the nuclear bomb?
We should sit down and eat
Who
like a
farted?
family. Come on, guys. We're gonna eat.
Thick pyro friend? No way.
Bro, I haven't seen shit about Bojack. I wonder how much fucking like
Come on,
combo
everybody.
he's done.
I'm SpongeBob.
He's so happy.
Can I see what this fucking looks like? Cause like I'm the only one.
It's here, let me show you.
Control or V. Control or V.
It's not that funny.
Why is my head like squint?
It's really not that funny.
I'm SpongeBob.
Dude.
Seriously? It's not! Nuh-uh.
Chainsaw. No! guys, I'm gonna launch wieners at you. I'm gonna launch wieners at you.
Motherfucker.
I'm SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob.
Dude, why is fucking SpongeBob singing a fucking share something?
No,
Damn.
no, watch, I can. Please.
Hey guys. Guys, this is literally my room. This is where like I play my video games and do my videos.
Buffoon.
God damn.
Hey, this is an armed robber.
This is my home. This is where I play my video games. This is where
really?
this is like the exact replica of like where I play my video games. You see that fridge over there? Yeah,
Really?
that's how I get my snacks so fast.
Is there a grenade
I'm SpongeBob.
in your pot?
Yeah, I was house, bro.
It's disassembled, bro. Fuck that shit from IKEA.
Dude, I don't know what it is. Like, you guys ever have like that fucking? You guys have like that dad, right? They'll get like fucking like an IKEA thing, and will like completely construct it without fucking reading any instructions, like first try.
Well, it's because he's a dad. He's go for that.
Jesus. Fuck.
Hey, I'm taking a bath. You not?
What was that?
Nice door, buddy. It's mine now.
Aw. The destructible Chinese spy balloon? No way.
Wait, no way.
Holy shit.
Float!
Bro, you didn't give it a chance to float away.
Oh, wait, let's get on it. Hold on.
Yeah, let's hop on it.
Wait, hold on. We have to put it like all the way up there so it works.
Oh.
I swear to God.
God damn it.
Alright, guys. Chinese spy balloon. It's getting carried away in the wind.
Is that actually what happened?
It's like a fart.
No, why you put it down?
Off it goes.
Oh shit, I got an idea. Oh yeah. I don't remember where it is. Oh, I got it.
Oh.
Fuck your car.
Car?
Wait, that was a car?
How do I fly these things?
Those are broken, I think. I don't know.
Hey, Soggy, where you at? Check this shit out. Look.
Hello.
I turned it on. I'm figuring it out. Give me 1 second.
Alright, I'm gonna do it after
I'm
representation
SpongeBob.
of what happened. Yeah, that's basically what happened.
I'm SpongeBob.
I want to try that again. Everyone get in, I'm flying.
Coming!
Daddy, I'm coming. Mwah.
Hey, I'm flying.
What?
I could just fall out the sky.
How do I...
Try this
I gotta-
one. Try this.
I'm gonna try this one.
That's still hella damage for that
Uh-oh.
rain.
Oh,
I
oh,
don't think.
I'm SpongeBob.
Here, try this helicopter.
oh, I like that one. Oh, this one? I gotta
Yeah.
get in the backseat, right?
No, it's, yeah, actually no, yeah. Press R.
Wait, what?
No, actually no, you're in the right seat. Press R. Oh wait, no, I'm in the right. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, hold on.
I'm on a gun right now. I can't.
Okay. Okay, now press R. Now press
Oh.
W. Oh shit, be careful.
Oh, it's inverted controls. Okay, I get it.
Holy shit, guy, it's T-Rox from Ricing Monsters. God damn, it doesn't
Bro,
work.
that is so much.
What's their bears?
Holy shit, guys.
Actually, there's an easier way to control these.
Yo, Steus, look, a CSGO loot box.
Really?
Yeah, come here.
Didn't they stop spawning?
Come on, time
Please.
to gamble.
Didn't they stop spawning?
Not gambling. I love gambling. Can I gamble? Can I gamble too? Can I gamble, please?
Come on, get welcome to my fine establishment.
Ew!
No way! Oh. Dude, look what I got. Look what I got.
Holy shit, let me try.
How the fuck did this thing not blow up yet?
It doesn't blow up.
Yeah, let me try.
Ah,
let me try.
okay.
It's eating you.
Let's see. Oh shit.
Oh shit. An IED? Hey,
Guys,
Soggy.
watch out. Big
Hey,
block.
Soggy, where you at?
Oh my
Oh,
God,
what
I
the
think I'm
fuck?
so
Cinder
sorry.
block.
Uh-oh.
That thing was so long. Is he even alive?
Hey, Soggy. Can you
Yes.
take this?
Yes.
It's called an IED.
Oh. I wanna. Guys, look what I found.
What's his name?
I'm still standing!
I'm so standing better than I ever did. Is that a bomb?
What the fuck?
Yeah, there's a...
I'm SpongeBob.
What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing to me?
Radiation, you idiot.
Dude, like my fucking... I can't feel my fucking...
I'm SpongeBob.
It's like fucking godly. Look at that.
My house.
Is there a fucking pigeon?
Dude, hold on, I gotta
pigeons.
get that GTA 4 achievement. Hold on. Hey!
Why is there
It's not hunting season.
Dude, do you know that? Hey, that achievement in GTA 4 where you hunt all the pigeons down in Liberty City. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
That's his fucking
No pigeon will be taken.
Let me in. Open the door. Open the door. Open the
Too late.
door. Keep the door open.
Oh,
I found a Russian bomb.
Fuck it, I gotta reload the gun. It's either him or the
Open
I'm
the door.
SpongeBob.
Open the door. Please open the
Okay. What is it gonna
Close the door. I made it. I'm a survivor.
Open.
Oh
You
my
didn't punch me.
god.
It's just his fat ass sat on top of me and killed me.
Look at this. Can I be let out?
I was a seagull, not a pigeon, dipshit.
I don't care. Seagulls are pricks.
Oh, it's not even- Yeah. I think
Where the
Guys,
hell?
if you kill this seagull, if you kill this seagull, the ropening will happen. Oh, alright, the ropening's happening.
Is it shooting with
Sorry.
fucking earplugs?
Here comes the ropening.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You guys, yeah.
It's so laggy. What the fuck, dude?
Guys, the ropening.
No, it's the fucking opening. Oh fuck.
Miss.
Jesus Christ.
What's this?
Guys, I'm starting to like taste my like.
Dude, would you like to sit on my vehicle?
I'm starting to
Dude, would you like to sit on my vehicle?
Check this out, guys.
Oh no, wait a sec.
bitch.
Yo, guys, check this out.
Check this out.
But
God damn. So basically, we
Hey,
can
guys, check
find
this out.
out of the fucking police.
Dude,
guys, I gotta
wait,
use
wait.
this shit, yo.
Wait, Soggy, where are you? Oh.
Oh shit. Oh, ow, ow.
How do I
I mean-
orientate this thing?
I hold E and then like rotate it.
How does one freeze?
Right
Right
click.
click.
Sure, it's the biggest.
Guys, you guys want to be Daredevil?
Uh-oh.
Watch, ready?
Guys, check
Daredevil.
this one out.
What is it?
So rad.
Oh shit, I'm gonna ramp that so hard.
Come on. Where's it? Yeah. Come on. I can do this. Let me hit this ramp. Hold on.
Get that motherfucker.
Bring him.
Come on, I'll help you.
It's like just pulling out like a fucking napkin.
And the crowd
That's how he
cheers.
treats it. That's
Oh, let me do this.
Here, let me get a crowd. Let me get a crowd.
Oh,
Look, it's a.
Uh oh.
Oh, I didn't remember.
Hey!